I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by prepping 2 8-ounce salmon fillets for a reliable air fryer result. Pat salmon dry and remove bones, about 8 ounces per fillet. This removes excess moisture, so the surface crisps evenly. Brush each fillet with 1 tablespoon olive oil and season with 1/2 tsp salt and 1/4 tsp black pepper to build balanced flavor. Use additional spices like 1/2 tsp paprika if you prefer. Let salmon rest at room temperature for 10 minutes before cooking. This reduces temperature shock and improves even cooking. Proper air fryer setup ensures consistent doneness and a crisp exterior every time. Preheat air fryer to 400 degrees F for 3 minutes so the basket starts hot. This minimizes sticking. Place fillet skin side down in a single layer. Do not overcrowd the basket. Leave at least 1/2 inch between pieces for airflow. Cook for 7 minutes, then check internal temp aiming for 125 degrees F for medium rare. If thicker than 1 inch, add 1-2 minutes. Adjust time by 1-minute increments for desired doneness. Finishing touches make the difference between good and great salmon with minimal effort. If desired, sear skin with air fryer at 450 degrees F for 1 minute to crisp the skin without overcooking the flesh. Transfer to a plate and rest salmon 3 minutes. Residual heat carries to target temp of 130 degrees F for medium and preserves juiciness. Serve with lemon wedges, 1 tablespoon chopped dill, an optional drizzle of 1 tsp honey for sweet contrast. Pair with steamed vegetables or a simple salad for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.